It's been about 7 months since I've done a video on Fetch.ai or FET. So let's do a quick little breakdown on what I'm seeing on the charts right now. And if you don't know who I am, my name's EQ. I've helped over 1,500 people learn how to trade since 2021. Fetch.ai made its all-time high at about $3.50. That was March 26th of 2024. Since then, we've seen price drop about 80% in value. So for me, that would tell me oversold, which means very minimal downside potential and a maximized upside potential. We're getting back into bear market prices, which anyone that knows me and is in the EPIQ Trading Floor, you know I like to accumulate things while they're still in bear market prices. We are also testing the point of control for volume for FET, which means the highest concentration of volume on any given point on this chart. This will tell me that this is an accumulation zone. Now, if for whatever reason Fetch wanted to push to the all-time high, that's going to be just about a 400% move. And that's just testing the high. If it wants to break that, it's going to go parabolic and it goes into price discovery mode. Which I do think a project like this has really good potential to do that. Now, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance is a mixed project. It's a merge between Fetch, Ocean, and Singularity. Anyone that was around in the last bull run knows that Ocean and Singularity did really well on their own. And FET did really well on their own, don't get me wrong. So I can imagine all three of them combined going into a parabolic altcoin season with a lot of money backed up into it, including a lot of money that goes into marketing. Something like this could easily break into the sky. And currently you're sitting at a $1.7 billion market cap, which is relatively low. On top of that, you have about 98% of the total supply already out in circulation, so there's not much deflation. And if you're looking at the other top AI projects, you're sitting at number 4 on this list. Number 1 is going to be BitTensor, and that's at a $3 billion market cap, so that means that this can easily do a 2x even in current market conditions. And then from there, I would be safe in assuming that AI, once the altcoin season really kicks off, is going to be one of the more dominant ecosystems and sectors in the crypto space. We've already seen how dominant AI is in the mainstream, and I think it's only going to become more prominent. So I think that at the $3 billion range is pretty damn low. And if you're comparing it sector to sector, artificial intelligence is going to be sitting number 26 on the list. And I personally believe that artificial intelligence could get into the top 15. Which would basically 2x the current market cap for the AI sector. Which, by the way, if you want to come trade with me or get access to the EPIQ Trading Floor, I'll tag the link in the video as well as the description. It's free to sign up. If you want to get an all-access pass, there are 70 seats left. And if you want to grab a one-on-one mentorship spot, there are 3 seats left. So I'll leave you all with that. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world, and I'll see you in the next video.